Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu states, on the occasion of the fair prayer, we were along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We got arrayed in two rows. One file was behind Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, while the enemy was in between us and the Qibla. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam pronounced Takbir-e-Tahrima as well as all of us. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then performed bowing, and we all as well performed the bowing. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his head up from the bowing, we also raised our heads. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then prostrated himself as well as the row standing along with him, and the other row kept standing facing the enemy. Then when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam as well as the row standing with him and performed the prostration, this row went and stood in front of the enemy, and the other row came and stood behind him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam as well as all performed the prostration. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then raised his head from bowing, and we all raised our heads from bowing too. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then prostrated himself as well as the row which was the latter in the first unit, while other row was standing before the enemy. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the row standing along with him had performed the prostration, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and we all performed the salutation. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, as your guards do with your chiefs nowadays. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1942.